Welcome back in another video. In this video, we will see how we can configure web SDK into our web application. Okay, so first we will download a sample file from the CCAI Platform official document. Then we'll explore. So search in browser, in any browser that you are using, CC web SDK CCAI Platform documentation. Click on the first result and you will open this page. Okay, so this is the official page to guide you how you can install web SDK into your web application. Okay, so click on this hyperlink web SDK version 2 example file. Okay, so it will download and go to your any. Okay, so open the downloaded folder. Okay, then here you can extract. So I will extract here. Okay, so I've already downloaded, but yeah, okay, there is the extract file. Okay, you can open in your or any code editor, and here I will use visual editor. So okay, from here you can open that have downloaded file. Okay, select and open, and make sure you are in the root directory, not directory, but that where your file is exist. Okay, so I have created one folder that is a web SDK, then I have extracted. So this extracted file is there one another folder that is called web SDK version 2 example master. Okay, and here these are the files available. Okay, these are the folder structure where demos, doc, node.js. So because we node.js will not the existing one, but you can, I have installed, that's why it is showing. But and how we can install the node modules. So npm install first, so it will install all the required package, the npm package. Okay, then see here, these are the file available. So how we can configure first to before the configuration we need some prerequisites details and application. So first you need to install a node.js, or if you are using any existing web application, that means definitely you have. Then install node modules. Then we need three more details, that is CCAI platform instance, and the instance URL will be look like this. So here your instance name, then location, then cciaplatform.com. Then we need from the CCAI platform company ID and company secret, and these two details you will get from the developer setting in your CCAI platform instance or CCAI platform application. Okay, then how we'll configure this? So there are in CCAI web SDK platform, we this web SDK is providing multiple features that you can customize. Okay, so today we'll see that simple, that how we can use for the basic. Okay, so this is the first index page, and in this index page these are hyperlinks are configured, and these are the for simple. So today we'll use simple, but like your directly you can get your queue using menu keys, or with your you can send a custom data. Okay, and you can change the CCIP chatbot launcher colors and all. So we'll see later, and today we'll use this simple HTML file, and here we will see all the configuration and how we can configure. Okay, so first thing, this web SDK loader should be in your application. So this is the basic thing. So first thing, you need to configure this, so it will initiate the web SDK launcher. Okay, and this is the loader. Then there are two variables here we need to configure while we are creating a UJT object. So CCAI platform is using the UJT, so we'll create a UJT object, and this require the company ID and host. So host is basically that CCAI platform instance URL, then company ID you will get from the developer setting. So you need to configure that. I have hidden this one because of the security concern. Okay, then here this UJT on, this is the method this is creating here. So for some others task, we have some others functions we have. Okay, so we can discuss later. That is authenticated authentication, and we'll call the get auth token function, and from here you can pass these details, and this is the method post, and in this method post you can call that we are calling, basically calling from the backend. So we are creating a tokens. Okay, JWT tokens. So you can use any language to create this, and today in this video we'll use node.js, and we have the one app.js file, and from where we have configured and we'll call from there. So see here, so we can pass this in this payload, we can pass the end user details. Okay, this is not the mandatory, is the optional, but it is good to the best practice and good to pass the details so you can use further in your use case, and this is basically required for your business use case. Okay, but from here you can pass the customer details. Okay, these are things. Then you have configured three things here. Okay, this is the one web SDK loader, then company ID and company host. Then we will configure one important thing, and that is company secret key. Okay, and this company secret key will be a 64 character, okay, combination of alphanumeric, and we will get from setting, the developer setting, and these are things we will use here. And the default port, this application is running, and the default port number, nothing, default port number is 3000. You can configure that your requirement. Then these are the in this details we have in this page. So how we can run after this configuration? So what we have done first is from the in simple HTML file, this web loader, company ID, company host, you can pass these details, the user identifier or end user details. Then in app.js we have configured that company secret. Okay, company secret. Then here we will run that. Okay, once you save, we will run npm start. Okay, so npm start. Okay, so yes, so it started this two Node.js and this application, and here the UI and backend both. Open this, so this will the landing page here. So now we are using a simple demo. So see here, this will the launcher for web SDK chatbot. Click on this, it will open, and this is the default. So need you any help, so you can give select the yes option, and once you select the yes option, it will display the entire queues which are enabled or running in your CCAI platform instance. Okay, so it will display here. From here you can select any of the queue, and you can chat with the virtual agent or human agent. Okay,